Hi, welcome again to JBO. Today we are discussing on the new feature of mobile OTP and the system of refer and earn system. Okay, so here we are add a URL of this way to use this section to use for refer code added. If I remove this one, then it will be removed directly and giving you the code of dynamic form. Okay, so here the dynamic form of email and WhatsApp message for the OTP registration, activation link, forget password and everything. Okay, so here is the login and authenticate. Then you can use this form just like notification send both email, WhatsApp and disable. Okay, so I receive in a both, so I receive email also for the login. Okay, and the in email configuration you go and edit the WhatsApp message for any language. Okay, you see any language that you can add, and here if you want to add that you can add a new just like template what you receive was some logout notification message, not send notification, renewal, forget, welcome, activation. If I have a OTP activation message in any language that you have select, and after that you can add the message on here. Okay, so you can send the message multiple existence, and you can add for the multiple client. Okay, if I have a default language I set on Hindi here. Okay, then automatically my message was going from this. So this is not only one, the all language that you can send it and set up from here. Okay, so you can edit and add many times and many something just like you need whatever you want. Okay, the second thing is we add our ERP that we are directly connect for this WhatsApp server. Okay, so we are talking after, but right now we are talking about only for OTP and base. Okay, OTP login, and it's a dynamic form, and in the future we are coming with more way. Okay, thank you for watching.